Hey there. Have you ever thought about the foods you eat every day and wondered, are these foods destroying my kidneys without me knowing? Today, we're discussing something critical but overlooked. How the food you love might secretly harm your kidneys. Our kidneys are like the body's natural filters, working day and night to remove toxins. However, some foods can overload these hard-working organs, leading to long-term damage. By the end of this video, you'll know about 10 everyday foods that secretly harm your kidneys, and which ones to cut out today to protect your health. 1. Processed meats. A salty trap. First up, we have processed meats. Bacon, sausage, deli meats. These are loaded with sodium, which can increase blood pressure, forcing your kidneys to work overtime. High sodium levels make it harder for your kidneys to eliminate water, leading to fluid retention and kidney stress. Try lean meats or plant-based alternatives. Your kidneys will thank you. 2. Soda and sugary drinks. Liquid trouble. Love soda? Well, here's a kidney health alert. Sugar-sweetened beverages are a silent threat to kidney function. The excessive sugar in these drinks can cause obesity and diabetes, both major risk factors for kidney disease. Switching to water or herbal teas can help reduce the load on your kidneys and keep you hydrated healthily. 3. Canned soups and instant noodles. Hidden sodium bombs. These convenient meals may seem like lifesavers on busy days, but the hidden sodium lurking in canned soups and noodles is no joke. Sodium overload is a leading cause of kidney stress, making it harder for your body to maintain healthy blood pressure. Look for low-sodium alternatives, or try making your own soups at home to avoid this hidden danger. 4. Dairy. Too much of a good thing. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are nutritious, but consuming them in excess can increase calcium levels in your urine, leading to kidney stones. And trust me, passing a kidney stone is no fun. Moderation is key. Swap in plant-based dairy alternatives now and then to give your kidneys a break. If you are going to eat them, please do that in moderation. 5. Artificial sweeteners. A false friend. Many people think switching to artificial sweeteners will help them stay healthy, but studies show they might harm kidney function over time. Long-term use can lead to reduced kidney efficiency. Stick with natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Your kidneys will thank you later. 6. Red meat. Heavy on the kidneys. Red meat is protein-packed, but too much can strain your kidneys. Protein breakdown releases waste products that your kidneys need to filter. Overeating red meat can lead to kidney overload, increasing your risk of kidney disease. Try plant-based proteins like lentils and beans to reduce the stress on your kidneys. 7. High oxalate foods. A stone's throw from trouble. Spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate. Sounds healthy, right? However, these foods are high in oxalates, which can increase the risk of kidney stones. Eating too many oxalate-rich foods makes it easier for calcium stones to form in your kidneys. Leafy greens are rich in potassium, which you may need to watch if you have kidney disease. Spinach and Swiss chard are high in oxalates, so eat them in moderation, especially if you are concerned about kidney disease. Balance your diet by mixing in low oxalate veggies, like cucumbers and zucchini. 8. Alcohol. The hidden impact. We all know excessive alcohol is hard on the liver, but it's also bad news for your kidneys. Alcohol dehydrates your body and interferes with normal kidney function, making it harder to filter toxins. Over time, this can lead to kidney disease. Limit alcohol to occasional indulgences. and drink plenty of water to counteract dehydration. 9. Fast food. A kidney disaster in every bite. Fast food is quick, tasty, and tempting, but also loaded with sodium, unhealthy fats, and sugar. These ingredients can put your kidneys under extreme stress if consumed regularly. Fast food meals can increase your blood pressure and sugar levels, both enemies of kidney health. Cooking at home can help you control what goes into your meals, protecting your kidneys in the long run. 10. Caffeine overload. A sneaky culprit. Last but not least, caffeine. Aside from coffee, energy drinks, or tea, too much caffeine can increase blood pressure and reduce kidney efficiency. Over time, heavy caffeine consumption can lead to kidney damage. Enjoy your morning coffee, but be mindful of how much caffeine you consume throughout the day. Moderation is key to keeping your kidneys safe. Conclusion and final thoughts. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Have you been eating any of these foods regularly? Or maybe you've already made some changes for the better. Share your tips in the comments. If you're interested in more videos about nutrition and health, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. We've got more great content coming your way, from kidney health to how to build a balanced diet without missing out on flavor. So there you have it. 10 everyday foods secretly harming your kidneys. The good news is, now you know what to watch out for. It's not about giving up everything you love, but making more intelligent choices to protect your kidneys. Start by reducing your intake of these foods, and over time you'll see the benefits in your health. Your kidneys are small but mighty organs. Let's keep them healthy together. Thank you for watching. Again, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, leave a comment, and don't forget to like the video. See you next time.